Look what just arrived. Yes, my carbon stickers. Because I put a carbon protector here, I decided that I should have carbon stickers just to match it. So I'm gonna show you the best places that you can protect your frame, like here. See? Mine's worn out because of the cables. There are a lot of places in the Brompton that when you fold it and unfold it, the cables scratch the paint. With time, you know, my bicycle has almost 4 years, so it takes a while to scratch it, but if you do it in the beginning, it's gonna be perfect. So what do you need? Stickers, bike stickers, scissors, and some alcohol tissue. Or you can get cloth with some alcohol to take all the grease out. Let's start it. Places that get damaged with time. Here, here, can you see here? Here, 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 can you see it? But this place here, I'm not gonna put the sticker, but I'll put it here. You can see it's just a bit damaged. Okay, first let me take this old sticker out. See how damaged was it because of the cable? If I knew this right in the beginning, I would protect both places. You can use a dark sticker, or you can use also a transparent one. Or actually, you can use any color you want. So let's clean it. You have to take all the dirt and the grease out. Wait until it dries. So we're gonna clean everything. Then we're gonna place the stickers. Yeah, look at it. To clean here, it's better if we fold the bike, because easier access. So here, it's also a place that needs care. I used to leave this Velcro, but it comes with original transparent plastic, but it does not protect. So I put this black one, but it's not even enough. So I'm gonna take the old one that I put it here on top of the transparent original one and put a brand new one. It's hot. It's in a very protective. Ah, okay, got it. Okay, that's a good one. Move the cables away. Clean it. See how damaged it is already? Oh, this is very good. If you just bought your Brompton, you won't have this problem because you are placing a very nice sticker right in the beginning. So you won't have any problems with it. Okay, clean. So now let's cut the sticker. Actually, you can open here. Aha, better. Then what I do for here, I think you're gonna put this long one, because can you see here? It's always a little bit scratch over here.
I might. Now I'll put this one, or this one, maybe two. Nope. Okay, this one's too long. I'll put this one here, and this one on the back.
So let's start with this one. Oh, you don't need the scissor actually. And put it Look it, very nice. Just move the cable out and put the sticker in. Very nice. Okay, let's put the other ones. Yeah, I don't know. I might buy a transparent one. That's how it goes, you know. You try things and some of them work, some of them doesn't work that well. So that's the beauty of the Brompton, you know. You can always upgrade. I'm gonna put it anyway. And I might order some transparent ones. I don't know, it's catching too much attention. Let's put a longer one here. But I do confess that I'm gonna order transparent ones. But at least you know the places that you're supposed to protect your frame. Okay. Ah! That's why it's good to have some tissue. It's amazing how it cleans up. So, what do you think? I think it's catching too much attention. So I think I'm gonna order a transparent one. Yeah, you know, look at it. At least you know the places that you have to protect your bike. Here, 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 and right here. Can you see the frame? Where the tires touch the frame? It's also a very good place to protect your bicycle. Okay, this very simple video is because I'm working in a very nice video that hope to be done by next week. I'm working for over a couple weeks now. It's a Brompton guide for the new Brompton lines, the A, the C, and the C electric. Because the Brompton P line, you've seen it already. And this kind of video, it demands a lot of study because I don't want to, show you something that's far from the truth. So it has to be, right on it. So I'm studying a lot and I start recording, but it will be a long editing. So hope you like this quick video. Simple. I didn't want to leave you without a Saturday video. Since I did receive my carbon stickers that I may not use for this bike, I can use for my carbon bike. And I'm gonna order some transparent ones. Well, what do you think I should do? Should I leave it like this? Black like this? Or should I order some transparent ones? Tell me in the comments. Bye-bye.